Every day I'm stepping into stories yet untold, meeting people with dreams they're ready to unfold. From the city lights to the skyline glow, I'm helping futures rise high, floor by floor. They come with hopes, I come with plans, turning visions into something they can hold in their hands. A space to call their own, a future that's bright. Yeah, we build it together, one unit at a time. 'Cause I'm an international seller, making dreams come true, helping people find a place where their heart fits through. A condo's more than walls, it's a life they can build, a tangible investment, something real they can feel. Still a good move, still the right step. Yeah, this is where their future's set. From first viewings to the final key, I see the spark in their eyes, possibility. Some buy for investment, some buy for the stay, but every unit tells a story in its own way. Every client, every dream, every plan we